Set the floodlights up near the wing.
Watch the cables, it's slick over here.
Easy on the starboard side. Watch the tilt.
Ropes are taut. We have it stabilized.
Clear the hydraulics. Keep it slow.
Hold the line, easy now. Pull together, watch the clearance. Clear on the left, boss. Hold the line, easy now. Pull together, watch the clearance. Clear on the left, boss. Clear on the left.
Clear on the right. Move forward slowly.
Watch the wing. Vine approaching.
Clear the top. Keep it steady, slowly forward.
Hold the line steady. We need more tension on the rear ropes now. Watch the tilt. Tension on the left line. Hold it there, watch the clearance overhead. Keep it coming back slowly. Watch the wingtip, clear on the left.
Look at this section by the door. That's more than just surface rust.
Yeah, I see the pitting.
I'll make a note on the tablet.
Make sure the water pressure is steady. Yes.
We need to focus on this rust near the panel joint before moving on.
Looks good. We can start marking the rust spots now.
All right, let's get the chalk ready.
All right, let's get the chalk ready.
I'll start on the wiring harnesses.
Clear the area below. We are initiating the lift.
Confirmed, Supervisor. All clear on this side.
Hoist engaging.
Focus on the leading edge of that nacelle. Make sure the surface is completely smooth before moving on.
Make sure you get this section here by the rivet.
Got it. I'll mark this interior frame as well.
Be careful with that seam right there.
Got it. This panel looks clear.
All right, let's move the trolley down.
Watch the left side, it's catching.
I see it. Adjusting the lift.
Check the mill thickness on that last section. It looks a little light. Check the mill thickness on that last section. It looks a little light.
Keep the overlap consistent on the curve.
Copy that. Moving to the next bay.
Make sure you cover the rivets evenly on that section. Roger that. Moving up now.
How's the coverage on the lower rivets holding up?
Looks good from here. Almost finished with this section. Ensure the seam is perfectly smooth before the next coat.
Roger that. Almost done here.
Hold the hydraulic steady. Clear on this side.
Mounting bolts engaged.
Confirmed green on engine assembly 4.
Lines are disconnected.
Okay, easy now. Bring it down slowly.
Hoist engaging. Clear left side.
Roger that. Movement is steady. Place it on platform 3.
How are the readings on your side?
All parameters nominal. Spin test successful.
Torque sequence complete on sector 4. Copy that. Moving to sector 5.
Pay close attention to the leading edge mounts right there.
I see some minor corrosion residue, consistent with the last report.
Ensure the harnesses match the updated schematic here.
Yes, we triple check the labeling. System check on auxiliary power is green.
Make sure the alignment matches the spec sheet here.
We've triple checked it, Supervisor. It's perfectly aligned.
Latches disengaged.
Hydraulic pressure is stated.
Ensure the edges are completely sealed.
Confirmed. Moving to section 3.
Ensure the pressure is bled before disconnecting the lines.
Already done. Moving to the main strut bolts now.
Torque wrench indicates secure. Check.
Affirmative. Clamps double checked.
Routing clear on this side.
We need another layer over this seam.
Okay, I'll get the wider tape. Check the alignment on the window first.
Landing gear bolts checked and secured.
Copy that. Moving to engine mounts now.
Ensure all panels are logged before final sign-off.
Torque check complete on strut 1.
Confirmed. Moving to the next sequence.
Fasteners are all secured.
Confirmed. Hydraulic pressure looks good.
Alignment is good on the port side.
Confirmed. Load distribution is even across the mats.
Check the seam right here. We need consistency across the cabin. Make sure the alignment is perfect.
That's torque to spec.
Good. Let's check the alignment on this row before we move on.
The hydraulic systems check out green across the board.
Verified. All parameters are within tolerance.
Primary flight display is fully calibrated and functional. All green.
Verified. We are clear for final sealing. Alignment looks good.
Torque wrench ready. Set to 50.
Checked. Moving it on.
Make sure the edge is completely flush before we secure it.
It is. The tool should lock it right in.
Check the alignment on row 12, please.
Yes, calibrating now.
Does that align flush with the molding?
Yes, the alignment looks perfect. Secure the lower fastener.
Landing gear bolts checked and secured.
Copy that. Moving to engine mounts now.
Ensure all panels are logged before final sign-off.
Excellent work, everyone. She's ready.
How does this section look?
Surface consistency is perfect. Ready to sign off.
Confirmed.
Fasteners are all secured.
Confirmed. Hydraulic pressure looks good. Does that look flush to you?
Almost. Push slightly on the left. Okay, perfect.
Is that connector seated properly?
Yes, green light on the diagnostic. Alignment looks good on this side. Perfect fit. Let's get the cart ready.
Verify the alignment pins are engaged.
Confirmed. Applying final torque now. Status updated on the checklist.
Looks good from here. Are all connections tight?
Solid. We are ready for the next module.
Platform extending, make sure the area is clear.
Roger, moving the tool tray now.
Does that fit flush with the trim?
Yes, looks good. Move to the next fastener.
Panel 402 inspection complete, ready for closure.
Acknowledged. We are clear for reassembly on the starboard side.
Clear on the left side.
Confirmed. Gear bay looks good to go.
Airbus A380, you are clear of the hangar. Continue taxi to holding point B.